Welcome to our corporate overview. We have put together this short corporate overview due to the overwhelming amount of applicants to our company. In this corporate overview, you'll learn that our company is in a major expansion throughout the United States and that we pay our reps an average of $7,000 to $10,000 per sale. I'm going to repeat that, $7,000 to $10,000 average per sale. That is actually the highest in our industry. That is without cold calling, no door knocking, and of course, not investing any money whatsoever. We are currently recognized as one of the top 3 companies in one of the fastest growing industries in the world. However, this is not a company that people can just join, because if you are interested, there is an interview and qualification process that we can talk about at the end. So let's get started. Okay, how to make real money from home in the #1 fastest growing industry. So the name of our company is Apricot Solar. We're going to go more into detail, but first let me give you a preview of who we are and who we are not. Okay, we are not a multi-level marketing company, network marketing company. Nothing against those business models, but if that's what you're into, okay, then you probably may not want to continue. We're also not a startup. We are actually the fastest growing and a top USA solar sales company. Zero financial investment, zero monthly costs, no cold calling or door knocking. If you're into door knocking, we're probably not going to be a good fit. We have a proven warm market referral system, 100% virtual work from home anywhere in the world, no experience is required. This is not about high pressure sales. Again, if you're a high pressure sales type person, probably not going to be right for you, because we take an educational soft sell approach. We help our clients save over $100,000 and make between $1,000 to $3,000 referring people to you. We have an Earn While You Learn program where you can earn $10,000 in your first 30 days. And finally, as a solar advisor, you can earn an average of $7,000 plus, right, to $10,000. And as a sales manager, you can earn a high 6-figure yearly income with management overrides and bonuses. So I'm going to share with you a quick video here. This is by the whitehouse.gov. It's going to show you what one of the prior administrations did really in the solar industry, the solar space. I recommend that you don't get into it politically, mentally, but look at it as a business. Okay, what happened to the solar industry ever since this president took office, and watch this happen. So watch this short 2-minute video.
Hi, my name is Ida Ryan, and I've lived at this house for 35 years. I like electronics, okay? So I learned about the solar panels and solar energy 15 years ago, and I just got interested in it. When I first learned about the solars and the solar panel, they were expensive. And then, I saw that the price was coming down. So now they're more affordable, and it's not just for, people with a lot of money or whatever, but it's at the point now where, hey, I got it. I finally got it. I mean, I waited for a good many years, but I finally got it. President Obama, he's provided a ways and a means for other people, for everybody, to have access to the solar panels and the solar energy. You have a choice. You have another choice.
Over the past 7 years, America's become a global leader in clean energy and the fight against climate change. A big reason why is the incredible progress we've made in harnessing electricity from the sun. We generate over 30 times more solar power than we did just 8 years ago. Since I took office, we've cut the cost of solar energy systems more than 70%. The solar industry is adding jobs 12 times faster than the rest of the economy. Solar panels are no longer for wealthy folks who live where the sun shines every day. They're already a reality for Americans and communities all across the country. Today, we're offering even more families and communities the chance to choose cleaner sources of energy that save you money and protect the planet for all of us. We're making it easier for American homeowners to take advantage of a new program called PACE. Here's how it works. If you make the switch to solar, you can now install solar panels or retrofit your home to make it more energy efficient at no upfront cost, all by paying for them through the future savings on your new Go solar right now. You can save money on your energy bills right away. And in the process, you can help America lead the world in the fight against climate change and for a cleaner, safer planet for our kids.
Hi.
faster. Why? Because they have a more desirable energy payment, right? It's slower, and the sun is actually free. You can even transfer that system over. With electricity, you get no government tax credits. Now look at this, okay? With solar, right now people are getting 26% government tax credits. That's to help buy the solar system. That would be like you buying your first home and the government, helping you with 26% of that purchase. That's really, really unreal. With electricity, you cannot sell any energy back to the electric company. With solar, you can sell your excess energy to the electric company. Whenever you have excess energy, you sell it to them, and obviously they're going to sell it to your neighbor that doesn't have solar panels for retail. With electricity, you contribute to damaging the planet for the next generation, and with solar, you help protect and do your part of saving the planet for the next generation. So, we ask homeowners, based on these true facts, which option benefits homeowners most? Continuing to rent their electricity or owning their energy and saving money? And guess what they all say? Owning their energy and saving money. So, who are we? We are Apricot Solar. We're a solar education company. We're actually the only solar education company out of over 10,000. We believe that an educated consumer will always make the right choice. So, why Apricot Solar and Freedom Forever? First of all, partnership between Apricot Solar, that's the marketer, right, with the marketer, and Freedom Forever is the actual solar company. It's considered by leading industry experts as one of the most powerful, valuable, and strategic partnerships in the entire industry. Apricot Solar, Freedom Forever have a combined 18 years of proven solar experience. Freedom Forever has completed over 100,000 successful installations with a 99.74% customer satisfaction rate. That is one of the highest in the industry. Apricot Solar generated over $200 million in revenue. Forever did over $800 million in revenue in 2021. So these are some giant companies in the solar space. Okay, we've been featured by 8500, one of the fastest growing companies in the U.S. We're accredited by the Better Business Bureau as a top A+ company, and we are NABCDP certified. That is the most exclusive and trusted accreditation that signifies your company meets the highest standards of excellence in the solar industry. Freedom Forever is now recognized one of the top 3 solar companies out of over 10,000. Okay, this year we passed Tesla Solar. We also have a partnership with $1 billion giant Vision. We're giving every one of our solar clients a free smart alarm system valued at over $2,800 with no monitoring payments for 3 years. Now, this proven marketing strategy of giving every solar client a free home smart alarm system has created an industry record-setting installation rate of over 90% compared to only 55% of the industry. Let me tell you something. Okay, if the system does not get installed, we don't get paid. So in our company, where people get paid is 90% of our projects to get installed. Again, why Apricot? We're a 100% virtual solar company utilizing artificial intelligence, which allows us to have lower operational costs, give our clients the best value in the industry. We only offer the best rated tier 1 solar equipment, along with the only 25-year production guarantee in the industry, and we even have a price match guarantee, kind of like Best Buy. We have zero upfront or out-of-pocket costs with the most competitive financing programs in the USA, as low as 0.99 interest rate per year, okay, financing, and we can even help homeowners with lower credit scores qualify for no money down solar. We are a fully licensed powerhouse. We have thousands of successful installations, happy 5-star clients. Why? Because we take a no-pressure educational approach. Here's one of our clients, Hector Maria Perez, okay? So if you look here, this was their old bill, $281 electric. We switched them to solar. Now they're paying $149, so they're saving $132 every month. That's pretty darn good. However, if you look at the footnote right here, it says 30-year savings is based on 4% average inflation increases. Let me show you what happens as this payment stays fixed, right? $149, but this payment is always going to go up, right? Electricity goes up. So over 30 years, they're going to save $147,000 that they would have paid to the electric company. Their home value goes up, remember, by 10%. That's $45,000, and the government tax credit is $13,000. You add that up, folks, that's over $200,000, okay, of a total financial benefit for that family. So we ask you, if you educated 10 homeowners how to save tens of thousands of dollars by switching to solar with zero out-of-pocket costs, how many of the 10 do you feel would switch? Okay, by the way, this is a normal client. It's simple to sell solar, look, because you're just educating a homeowner to go from an old higher electric bill that they are already obligated to pay to a new lower solar bill. They're just redirecting their payment, right? Saving tens of thousands of dollars and increasing the value of their home. We simply sell a lower energy payment. Okay, now look, technology is changing business, right? The old school way was Walmart to everybody by Amazon, taxis to Ubers, Marriott to Airbnb, Solar City to Apricot Solar. So look, Uber doesn't own a vehicle, just like Airbnb doesn't own any hotel rooms. They're powerful virtual tech platforms that bring clients who need a service to sellers who are providing that service. This is exactly what Apricot has done, and why leading experts say we are the Uber of the solar industry. So, because Apricot is 100% virtual, you can help people right from 30 minutes of their time to allow your trainer to show them a solar education presentation via Zoom with you observing. And there's no selling on the first appointment at all allowed. Okay, now if the homeowner agrees to a free energy savings analysis, which they always do, right, because it's free, to see how much money they will save, then you send the copy of the bill to your trainer to get a free energy savings analysis. Your trainer will then present the energy savings analysis to the homeowner via Zoom. When they switch to solar, you get paid an average of $3,500 per solar split sale as a new trainee. Now, once you're trained by observing 3 solar training sales completed, the online certification, the skills test, now you earn the full $7,000 commission. We have a proven warm referral program that pays people $1,000 per solar sale that they refer to you. This way you get more referrals and sales than you can possibly get to. And Apricot does pay the highest overall commission of any solar company in the industry, bar none. So look, as a solar trainee, right, you're part-time, you refer one client, you split the sale with your trainer. It takes about 3 hours max to help one client. You get paid $3,500, folks. I'm not great at math, but that's over $1,000 per hour. Now, earning that much money per hour, how many homeowners would you refer? Now, once you're a trained solar advisor, right, you help one average solar client, you make the full $7,000. How would you feel if you were earning an extra $7,000 a month on a part-time basis working from home? Now, John D. Rockefeller, the wealthiest human that's ever lived, he had a quote. He said, I would rather earn 1% of the efforts of 100 people than 100% of my own efforts. And what that means is, besides you selling, you could also be in sales management, where you can get paid on the efforts of other salespeople if you choose to. This is an option here, okay? You don't require it. So at Apricot, you have the legal right and option. Again, I repeat, it's an option. If you want to stay selling, you can make $7,000, and make a lot of money, right? A 6-figure income just doing that. But you have the option to hire and train as many advisors as you want and get paid on all their sales. Let me show you what that looks like. To get to junior partner, right, you need at least 3 solar advisors trained. Now, guess what? You get a pay raise. Instead of making $7,000, you're making $8,200. So let's say you just help one client a month. You made $8,200 yourself. Then your team, they help one client a month, right? You get paid $1,200 override per team sale. Every time they do a sale, you make $1,200. 3 times 1,200, that's $3,600. Add that up, that's $11,800 a month, or $141,000 a year. Look, by getting promoted into sales management and managing just 3 part-time solar advisors, you each help only 1 solar client per month, right? They're not working too hard. Okay, you have the potential to earn a strong 6-figure income working from home. Now, let's say you decide to work a little hard. You help 1 client a week, right? This is more average. Okay, 8,200 times 4, you make 32,800. Your team copies you to help with 1 client a week. 3 clients a week times 4 weeks, right? It's 12 clients a month times $1,200. That's 14,004, 47,000, or 566 a year. Look, by hiring and training 3 part-time solar advisors who now each help 1 solar client per week, you have the potential to earn over $500,000 a year, which will put you in the top 1% of all income earners in the USA. Now, the next level of sales management is as a partner. Here you need 5 trained solar advisors. Okay, now you get another pay raise. Now, when you do a sale, you make $9,500 per sale. So if you help 1 client a week, 4 times $9,500, you're making $38,000. Your team copies you. They'll each help with 1 client a week. So that's 5 clients a week times 4 is 20 total solar clients a month. You're earning now an even higher override of $2,500 per team sale. So 20 sales times $2,500 override, that's $50,000 in management overrides. Add that up, that's $88,000 a month. That's over $1 million per year. Look, unlike other sales companies where you need hundreds of sales reps to earn over $1 million a year, at Apricot you have the potential to earn $1 million income with just 5 productive part-time solar advisors. Why is that? It's just because the solar industry pays very high commission. So let's start wrapping up with the future market potential of solar. Over 90 million homes in the USA qualify for solar, yet less than 3% have solar. That's over 87 million opportunities. The U.S. Energy Department wants solar to provide 40% of the nation's energy by 2035, which is why the solar market is growing at an average of 33% per year. The U.S. government is planning to require that all new homes in the United States have solar panels installed. It's already a law in California. So every time you see a home, just visualize it. And you can be earning $3,500 to $7,000 for each home that you help switch to solar, or you're going to be using that cash to someone else because someone will switch them. Is that what you want? So let's wrap up here with the corporate stages of growth, right? Any company, it can be Apple, Amazon, Uber, they all start at 0, and from 0 to 100 to 200 million right in this space here, that's called formulation or pioneering. Well, guess what? This is where Apricot was between 2015 to 21. Now they're here. Remember, revenue within 200 million. So now we're going into what? Momentum. That's what true wealth is created. You get a company going into momentum. So you're finally in the right place at the right time. You're going to take advantage. You got to be self-motivated, teachable, have good people skills, and a great attitude. You pass background and reference checks. Those are required for final corporate approval. Now, let's summarize the true facts. Can I make real money online and from home? Yes, you can. 7,000 right per sale is very good. Can I work part-time and control my own schedule? Yes. Can I make great money without hiring other people? Yes, that's an option. Okay. Can I be successful without cold calling, door knocking, or investing any money? Absolutely. If I have no solar sales or business experience, can I still earn money at Apricot? Yes, you can. We have a full online and live training certification program. So what are you most interested in? A, getting your free energy savings analysis. We recommend every homeowner do that anyway. Okay. Becoming a referral partner and maybe earning $1,000 for every solar sale you refer if you don't want to work with us, right? Or C, becoming a solar advisor and earning unlimited income right from your home. So what are your next steps? Number one, submit an online application, pass a Zoom interview with a top leader and qualify to partner with us. Schedule a time to get your free energy savings analysis. And then 3, get trained, certified, and start earning great money while you learn. So my question is, how fast would you like to start earning money? Schedule your interview now by immediately completing the online interview application. And Bill Gates said it best. Okay, he said, if you were born poor, it's not your fault. But if you die poor, it is your fault. So thank you for attending. Schedule your interview now by immediately completing the online application. Appointments are very limited and on a very first come, first served basis. Thank you so much for your time.